Hey guys, in today's video, I'm going to show you some iPhone travel tips that can make traveling easier. These are all built-in Apple features, no extra apps and no subscriptions. Just simple tools already on your iPhone that can help you stay organized, prepared, and a little less stressed on your next trip. This video is sponsored by TomTalk. If you need to quickly convert currency, you don't need a separate app. The method I use is inside the calculator app. Open the calculator, tap the icon in the top corner to switch to convert. Choose your two currencies and enter the amount. Once you set your currencies, they stay there the next time you open the app, which makes it really convenient while you're traveling. You can also tap the arrow between the currency to instantly switch them around. So if you're comparing prices quickly, you don't need to reset everything. You can also swipe down and use Spotlight to type in something like 100 USD in AUD, but I personally find the calculator method easier day to day. The Translate app on the iPhone can be really useful when you're in another country. Open the Translate app and choose your two languages at the top. If you're speaking to someone, tap Conversation mode and just speak normally. Your iPhone will translate back and forth in real time. Hi, I was wondering if you could help me find a good coffee shop around here.
こんにちは。こちらの近くに良いコーヒーショップを探すのを手伝っていただけませんか?
Now for signs and menus, this is a method I personally use the most. Open your regular camera app and take a photo of the text. Then open the photo in the Photos app. Press and hold the text to activate live text. Highlight the text, tap the little arrow on the pop-up menu and choose Translate. From there, you can select the language it's in and convert it to your language. For example, if the text is in Chinese, you can translate it straight into English and clearly see what the sign or menu says. Before we move on, I want to thank today's video sponsor, TomTalk. Since we're talking about travel prep, I wanted to show you a really practical way to keep your essentials organized using the TomTalk Aviator T37 crossbody bag. It's compact but surprisingly well organized. It has 3 zip compartments, and the main compartment is lockable, which is great for extra security in busy airports and cities. Inside, there is a dedicated passport pocket. I can comfortably fit all 4 of my family's passports in there without it feeling bulky. There's also an RFID blocking pocket to help protect your cards, plus a separate zip pocket for cash and coins. For everyday travel essentials, I keep my iPhone, passport, credit cards, some cash, AirPods, AirTags, a pen, keys, and even a mini hand sanitizer in there. Everything has its own place, so you're not digging around trying to find something quickly at security or when you're paying. It's lightweight, easy to wear crossbody, and you can get it in different colors as well. If you'd like to check it out, I'll leave a link in the description below. This is one of the most important things to do before you travel. Open Apple Maps, search for the city or area you're traveling to. Tap the 3 dots at the bottom and then select Download Map. Adjust the size of the map and choose the exact area you'll be in. Once you're happy with it, tap Download. This saves the map directly to your phone so you can still view it even if you don't have mobile service or Wi-Fi. You'll still be able to search places, get directions, and navigate around. You can also tap the profile icon next to the search bar, go to offline maps and see exactly which maps you have saved. From there, you can update them if needed or delete them after your trip to free up some storage on your iPhone. When you're traveling to different time zones, this one is simple but really helpful. Open the Clock app, tap World Clock, add your home city and your destination city. Now you can quickly see the time difference without trying to calculate it in your head. This is especially helpful if you're calling family back home, booking tours, or trying to avoid messaging someone at 3 a.m. You can also add the World Clock widget to your home screen so you can see multiple times at a glance. If you're traveling with family or friends, the Find My app can be really helpful. Open the Find My app and go to the People tab. Tap the plus icon and select Share My Location. Search for the person you want to share your location with. They'll need to have an iPhone and be saved in your contacts. Their name will appear in blue if they have an iPhone and can be used in Find My. If it appears grey, that means they're not using an iPhone. You can choose how long to share your location for, whether it's 1 hour or until the end of the day or indefinitely. Once you share your location, they can choose to share theirs back with you. You can also switch to the Device tab to check the location of your iPhone, iPad, or any other Apple devices if something gets misplaced. That way you can keep track of each other and all your devices in one place while traveling. If you're checking in luggage, I highly recommend putting AirTags inside your suitcase so you can track it if your luggage gets delayed or sent to the wrong carousel or even temporarily misplaced. That way you can just open the Find My app and quickly see where your suitcase actually is. To set this up, open the Find My app, go to the Item tab, tap the plus button, select Add AirTag, then follow the prompts to connect your AirTag. Once it's set up, you'll be able to see its location directly in the Find My app. If your luggage is nearby, you can even use precision finding on supported iPhones to get guided directions to it inside the airport. I recently traveled with one in my suitcase and I didn't have any issues, but it's always worth checking your airline's policies just to be safe, as different airlines may have different rules. It's also useful to put an AirTag in your backpack when you're out exploring, so if you accidentally leave it somewhere or misplace it, you can quickly see where it is. Those are some of the built-in iPhone features that can help make traveling easier. No extra apps, just tools already on your device. Let me know in the comments which one you'll actually use on your next trip. I hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to my channel for more videos. Thanks for watching.